Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Dark War Survival. I'm Jon Snow from State 116 and our state is currently in Season 2 and Season 2 has just ended and now the migration stay phase has started, and also at the end of the season you get this new shop. It's called the Rebate Shop, and from here you get these season medals which can be used to redeem various items from the Rebates Redeem Shop. So I have collected my other points from the season buildings, and now only these are left. Okay, so I'll just collect all these points from here. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, I think so far I have collected all of my season building rebates points, and let's see what we have here in the rebates redeem shop. Okay, all the items are very useful and they are hard to get. And DX blueprints, I think DX blueprints are one of the most, I say, hard or expensive items to get. It cost 5000 honor points to get one, and here in the season shop it costs like 250 season medals. So I will try to get as many of these DX blueprints possible, and then I can use those DX blueprints to
Each part
upgrade
gives you a
my
choice. Fight or fold.
equipment here. Okay, so it costs 10 blueprints just to promote it to D6 layer. So I will try to get that. And one thing about the season 2, when we were in tally phase, we received the rewards, and from there I have collected the rebates for my season buildings. uh, because this season is new to my state, I didn't know that we will be getting something like this rebates points, so I have not focused on upgrading my season buildings. So if you are new into the season, I will suggest that you upgrade your season building, so at the end of the season you receive these rebate coins, and from there you can get so many items. Okay, so I will get all the DX blueprints. Okay, so it costs me half of my points here, but they are the hardest to get, so I will get them. Okay, so I got these, and precision parts are so important. Okay, I will get 200 of those. Nice. Yes. Okay, and how many power codes I can get? Okay, so now I have only okay 700 points left, and I will get, okay, I can only get 15 titanium. No, okay, I can get the 135 titanium alloy. I know that design blueprints are hard to get, but for my next upgrade, most of I need is C. I will need more titanium alloy. That's why I have bought most of the titanium alloy from the shop. Okay. I wish I had upgraded my season buildings to more level, and I could have gotten so many points. Like you see, there was like 2000 over 30 or 40,000 points I was not able to get because of my season buildings. So yeah, season reward distribution phase is about to end, and the migration process will continue, and we are grouped with the state 157 and up to 164, and I'm not going to migrate my state. I have chosen to stay in my own state. And yes, and when the next season starts, I will focus on my season buildings and try to get as many as season buildings and upgrade them to higher levels so that I can receive more rewards. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.